So guys, this video was made by Takeo Ischi, and so many people has been talking about it. So this is my first time reacting to this video. So let's start.
You should know that I with the power of nature can bring you to the end of your life. And you should know by my smile and the look in my eyes that you are about to be massively forced to give up. Chicken attack, chicken attack. Watch your back before it fades to black. C'est my love harmless but c'est que non chicken ass. Go chicken go, go chicken go. Now gonna fly.
He used a chicken to fly.
You want the sky. With the power of nature, you are never alone, and you can't live on a mark. Every beast, every tree follows me to the end, and you're about to be massively. Chicken attack, chicken attack. Watch your back before it fades to black. C'est my love harmless, but c'est que non chicken ass. Go chicken go. Now gonna fly. You want the sky. You are young and you are hungry, perhaps short on money. I give you this chicken today. It's eggs for your dinner, it's legs for next winter. You won't have to steal again.
なんて慈悲深い方だ。あなたは全ての動物を操らぬんですか。
全ての動物が操れるけど、鶏が一番なんだ。
助けて助けて、僕の兄が富士見で銀行強盗に巻き込まれたんです。
大丈夫だ、心配するな。
Go chicken go, go chicken go,
Chicken.
now gonna fly. You want the sky.
How is he singing this?
Chicken attack, chicken attack.
So guys, thank you for watching this video. So if this is your first video seen by me, please subscribe, like, leave a comment. So guys, bye.